Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, we are going to conduct academic IELTS reading mock test. How do you feel? I've got a latest IELTS reading test and we are going to have this mock test. You can download this test, but after that there are some instructions. The first instruction is you should print it out if you are planning to take paper delivered IELTS. And if you are planning to take computer delivered IELTS, then you can take this test on your laptop. You are going to sit in a separate room and you are going to sit all alone with no one there, and strictly within 55 minutes you have to finish this test. Why 55 minutes? 5 minutes to transfer the answers to the answer sheet. And if you are doing it on your laptop, then you need to take 60 minutes. And by the way, once you finish the test, at the end of this test, answers are also given. You have to check your answers and then come back to this video and type the number of correct answers so that I get to know where you stand in IELTS reading. This mock test, this reading mock test is going to be a very good indicator, because the level of difficulty which we have in this test, that is the same level of difficulty which you are going to face when you go to your actual IELTS test. So guys, this mock test is for you, and now we are going to start this series. I will conduct many other mock tests for you, especially in listening and in reading modules. We'll have a lot of other mock tests as well. If you remember, if you watch my videos regularly, I conducted some speaking mock tests as well, and now I'm going to start with reading mock tests, and afterwards we'll go on to listening mock tests as well. So guys, I really care for you and you need to care for me. How you can care for me? If you have any latest material on IELTS, if you have any good books on IELTS, if you have any handouts on IELTS and you think the handouts are valuable, share those handouts with me. You already have my WhatsApp number, so you can share those handouts. Anyways, download this test. Go down there in the description. I have given you the link. From the link, you can download this test. Take the test and then come back to this video to give me your opinion about the test. Give me complete feedback. Type your comment, complete feedback, how the test was, easy, moderate, difficult, right? And how the questions were and what your score was. And then later on you can investigate into the wrong answers as well. I truly wish you all the best. This test can tell you whether you are ready to take the IELTS test or not. That's why take this test seriously. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.